Surprise, surprise, I'm going to Disney World. So I'm spending the next 5 days at my favorite place in the world, but I've got a travel buddy coming with me. My nephew, Austin, is coming with me. I'm just sitting outside at the Orlando airport waiting for Austin's flight to arrive, and then we're going to EPCOT. Let's do this. And I'm here at EPCOT with my nephew, Austin.
What's up?
We are doing our guys trip. This is for Austin's graduation present from high school.
Yeah.
Austin did his first ever solo flight. How was it?
That was nerve-wracking.
It was, but that's okay because we are at EPCOT.
Yeah.
So first stop is at the Lands because I needed something to drink and not my Fiesta Margarita yet. We're going there next after Soarin', but Austin had to get, what'd you get?
I got a stir-fried shrimp.
And how is it?
Oh, it's awesome.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd say I give it like 11 out of 10.
Oh, some pretty good numbers. Smells so good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, pretty.
All right, let's take this mask off. Woo, woo. All right, we just had lunch, or Austin had a little snacky lunch.
Yep.
And then we rode Soarin'. What'd you think?
Awesome.
You can't go wrong starting your day with Soarin'. Like,
Yeah.
it's great. So where are we going next, Oz?
We're going to Mexico.
And what are we getting?
The margarita.
Yes, I need my favorite Fiesta Margarita. So come along with us while we go over to Mexico. And it is a beautiful day here at EPCOT. There's hardly anybody here. It's really low crowds. The weather is absolutely perfect.
I think they could get any better.
Yeah, it's jeans and a t-shirt day, but you can also wear shorts and not be cold.
Yeah.
I think this is about the perfect day. It's that time again. It's Fiesta Margarita time. So the Fiesta Margarita is like my first stop when I get an alcoholic adult beverage here at EPCOT. So it's delicious today. It's always delicious. But we're actually gonna go back and do test track. It's got a pretty low wait. What, it's like 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes of that.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we ain't even gonna need like a fast pad.
Lightning lane, remember?
Yeah. Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
We gotta remember. We keep saying, I keep doing it too.
Fans know what it really is.
We know.
Yeah.
We're not fooled, Disney.
Yeah, we're not fooled by you.
It's a little construction update on Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yep.
We're moving along, but
Yeah.
you would think that it should be open by now. I want to ride it now.
Yeah, I know. We all do, but
Let us test it. Austin
Yeah.
and I we'll be test dummies.
oh yeah, sure, we're okay with doing
Yeah,
that.
why not? Let's do
Yeah,
it.
to pay. Yeah.
Let's go tell them. Let's go over there. Hey guys, let us in.
Yeah. Let them do it for free even.
Yeah, you don't even have to pay us. We're good.
Yeah, you don't have to pay us anything.
All right, it's time for Spaceship Earth. It's the OG ride.
Yeah, this is classic.
So it's gonna get dark. So we'll see you after the ride's over. Now we're in the UK, and that means one thing. Over there has to get a Guinness. All right. Again, no trip is complete without a stop at the UK Pavilion, the Rose and Crown, for a Guinness. See if we can get the Guinness mustache.
Goodness, Mark. Oh, you got one.
Mer, 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 mer.
I'm very good at making these other jokes.
There it is. Le Crêperie de Paris.
Oh, yeah.
Is that what you want, a creperie? Is it creperie?
Not that big. Still be good, but oh wow, the line is pretty long.
All right, Austin finished his crate before I could record, but this is the Ratatouille. What is this? The galette? I don't know, galette, I think. I can't. I don't speak French. Austin's gonna try it.
I'm gonna try.
He's trying to cut it. That's the hard part.
Yeah, these are like tough and wood.
We might need to sit down somewhere and eat it. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll
Want to find a spot? All right, let's find a spot.
Oh yeah.
Got the Disney garbage table. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take a bite, see how this thing is, see if Austin was right. So he told me to buy this, and I thought, yeah, it's probably a good idea. But let's see if he's right. Zucchini, tomatoes, and eggplant. Whoa! Woof! That's good. You gonna have some more of this?
I'm good. I'm gonna save up for Japan.
For some sushi?
Yeah.
Damn, dude, this is good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, A+ Disney. Again, no EPCOT trip is complete without some sushi. All right. I do have some wasabi here, but I'm gonna go in. It's all in right here. There we go. So good. So good. All right, we just got done having sushi. We've had crepes.
Yep.
What else have we had?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. What else did you get?
Red tui.
Yeah, it was like the ratatouille thing. Didn't you get something else? Oh, we ate at the Lands.
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah,
You had that shrimp,
Oh yeah, that was
stir-fried teriyaki.
yeah, stir fried teriyaki. Fruit.
We're puppy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
Austin got some gelato. What do you think? Yeah, let's try. There we
It's
go.
very good. You got a rich taste to it too.
What flavor? Just chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I got this like mango thing. It's delicious too. It's good stuff. All right, folks, that's a wrap for the night. We had a long day. Austin was up at 3:30 this morning. I was up at 4. Had to get our flights. Did everything in the park except for one ride.
Yeah, one ride.
That was it. Did everything else. And Harmonious was incredible. So
Yeah.
until tomorrow. Tomorrow, what do we got tomorrow?
We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Magic.
Of course.
Yes, the OG, the reason for the 50th anniversary. So we'll be at Magic Kingdom on the next episode. See you guys there.
Right. See you there.